Hey, quick check-in before you scroll. Let me tell you about the EVO-X2. This is for the kind of person who is tired of pretending small computers are supposed to feel small. You notice hesitation, you feel lag instantly. And once you've tasted real responsiveness, you can see and feel it. You want something compact without giving up authority. Before anything else, take a second to check the current price in stock. Machines like this don't stay predictable, and waiting usually costs more than acting. You knew it was time to upgrade the moment your old system started feeling fragile. Apps stacking up, fans ramping, that subtle anxiety when you pushed it just a little too hard. You weren't asking for miracles, you just wanted it to keep up with you. The first week with this changes that feeling completely. There's relief, confidence. You stop managing performance and start trusting it. Everything opens instantly. Multitasking stops being a gamble and becomes the default. You feel it during late-night editing sessions when timelines stay smooth, during long gaming runs when the system stays composed instead of stressed, when you read driving multiple displays at your desk and nothing feels strained. Even casual binge watching hits different because the whole setup just feels settled. It's not about numbers on paper. It's the way the machine stays calm when you read not. The way it responds the second you expect it to. Once you experience that level of control, going back feels impossible. Midway reminder, don't wait for random stock swings or awkward price jumps. If you re already considering it, you re closer than you think. You might wonder if something this small can really replace a bigger setup. That doubt fades fast. The surprise is how quiet and composed it stays, even when you re-pushing hard. No drama. No excuses. Just steady performance that adapts to how you work and play. Ownership hits differently here. You feel proud setting it on your desk. It signals that you chose capability over clutter, intention over compromise. Every time you compare it to something weaker, you circle right back to this decision. Fast, calm, always responsive, handles pressure without hesitation, feels powerful without being loud, desk stays clean, mind stays focused, premium comes at a premium, limited upgrade paths later. At some point, you stop comparing and choose the thing you already wanted. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you delay and regret later. Check the price, see what is available, and make the switch while it still makes sense.